Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're on the incredible Cruisers 38 VTR. Notice she is equipped with twin 400 white Mercuries. Got a great boarding ladder back here. Platforms on either side of the motors. You also have a nice dive door that flips down over on the port side. Sea deck throughout, it's nice and soft on the feet. Do have some rod holders across the back in case you want to fish. In case you want to cook that fish, you got the grill built in right here on the starboard side. Inside the pallet house of 38 VTR, you have a very spacious table, seating. This is all climate controlled. This table actually opens up twice the size. Great dinner area. These seats flip back, so you have the booth style seating. The helm area is really nice on this boat as well. You got joystick control, autopilot built in, 2 extra large wide Simrad screens, digital throttle and shift with the Mercury Verados. In the cabin of the VTR, you have a fantastic bed, very large. Also have a fridge, an enclosed head, and shower. The bow area of the 38 VTR is where she really shines. You have a nice windlass remote up here as well. You do have a filler table to make this one giant sun pad up here. Really spacious. Great visibility in this boat. You also have a LED light bar across the front if you are boating at night. Thanks for taking a look today. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name's Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks a lot.